Parcel2Go delivery honest review. Watch before using shipping packages can be confusing, especially when comparing prices and delivery times. Most people get this wrong. They overpay or pick unreliable couriers. Parcel2Go claims to simplify the process, but is it worth using? Parcel2Go is an online courier comparison and booking platform. It allows users to compare prices from multiple delivery providers, print labels, and schedule pickups. The surprising truth is that Parcel2Go often offers discounted rates compared to booking directly with couriers, saving money for businesses and individuals alike. Here's how it works. You enter the parcel details, destination, and preferred delivery speed. Parcel2Go then lists options from carriers like DHL, UPS, and Hermes, along with prices and estimated delivery times. For example, sending a medium parcel across the UK might show options from next-day delivery to economy shipping, all with transparent costs. The platform also offers tracking and customer support if issues arise. However, some lower-cost options may have longer delivery times or less robust support, so it's important to choose carefully. In conclusion, Parcel2Go is a convenient, cost-effective solution for anyone shipping parcels, especially small businesses or online sellers looking to streamline logistics. Subscribe now for more honest delivery and logistics service reviews.